Ganapati, past president of SICCI, and I'm privileged to be Mr. G. Ramachandran's son. And we have been having this endowment lecture, first under the auspices of SICCI, and 3 years back we established an endowment to recognize top students of the Madras School of Economics, and we're doing it along with Madras School of Economics. Father had played a very inside view, had an inside view of Indian economics, Indian economy from almost 1969 to 81. 12 uninterrupted years he was involved in the fiscal policy making of India, and therefore we thought it would be best if we can have this endowment lecture moved here. We've had some very distinguished speakers in the past. Last year we had Mr. Somanathan, presently the Finance Secretary. We've had the Finance Minister, Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman, a few years ago, apart from Dr. Rangarajan himself, and not to mention Dr. Venugopal Reddy, former Governor of RBI, and Mr. N.K. Sin, who was the Chairman of the Finance Commission. We began this journey in 2014 with the first endowment speaker being Mr. Yashwant Sinha, former Finance and External Affairs Minister of India. Thank you.
We welcome each and every one of you to the 10th G. Ramachandran Endowment Lecture, organized by the Southern India Chamber of Commerce and the Madras School of Economics, jointly with the family of Mr. G. Ramachandran. I now request Mrs. Sharda Ganapati to honor Sri S. Krishnan and Dr. C. Rangarajan, please.
I can wait.
As I said already, it's growing at twice the pace of the rest of the economy. It's going to occupy a significantly higher share by itself. But more important is the enabling role that it performs in other sectors of the economy. Practically, if you today look at medicine, or if you look at education, there's so much of technology interface that goes into that, and so much of efficiency that is achieved through the use of technology in those spaces. Manufacturing, and practically every area, the technology interface is becoming more and more significant.
We've had this tradition of being at book launch function. Others belong to Empire. Tables are sponsored by Sriram Capital. Thank you very much, Ramachandran. And then this is a proposal. And in the vertical of Research and Business Analytics for the 2020 batch, we'll invite Arushi Baga. We now come to real time. From the 2023 batch, Finance Department, Rajeshwari S. Research and Business Analytics, we welcome Anu Rashidi to receive the medal. Can all the gold medal winners come forward and have a good photograph? Please can we request all three of you to come to the